Hey family, hey tastemakers. I just got my grocery delivery. They just delivered my groceries and it's late in the evening. One thing I like about when I order home delivery, this is my second time. I have another free delivery and I like it. They can get it to me within 2 hours. So I saw that my day was getting busy, out of control, and I wanted some vegetables. So I got like salads and stuff like that. So right now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to rinse these off, pat them dry, and I'm making a lemon pepper thighs, chicken thighs, and I'm going to marinate it with fresh lemon, and we're going low sodium. I'm not no sodium, I'm low sodium, so I have some Mrs. Dash here, garlic powder, and I'll top it with a little lemon pepper seasoning. And I'm gonna let that marinate. It won't be ready. It's 4 o'clock. It won't be, well, I'll start cooking it when hubby gets home. So I'm gonna want this to marinate for about an hour. And so I think I'm gonna have this and a salad. And like I said before, I'm doing more heart healthy, diabetic friendly, hypertension friendly. It's going on. I'm watching the news. The news has got my attention about this brawl at Six Flags. Okay, everybody's so angry. These young people are so angry. I don't know what's going on. This social media is just, people just talking too much. Okay, so I'm going to rinse these off. Let me see, I got some boneless, skinless thigh fillets. $8.34. Rinse them off, and I'm going to season them. Okay, guys, I rinsed off the chicken thighs, and I like them when they're like this because they'll take on a lot of flavor. So I just trimmed some of the excess fat off. And there is some fat on there, so I'm not going to add like any olive oil or any other oils. Let me see, I didn't take the fat off of that one. So I'm just going to take a whole lemon, slice the lemon up. Let's see, which one didn't trim. Supposed to be talking to you guys. I'm over here talking to myself. Let me trim this fat off, the excess. Okay. So, like, I'm a personal concierge, and sometimes people call me to clean their houses, do personal shopping for them. So here, like, it's spring, spring cleaning season, so I'm getting more calls. So, and then I got a call the other day about donating to a domestic violence shelter. So I'm like, I was cleaning out, going through my closets and my gift basket inventory. I was going through all of that while the lady was, I'm like, I'm not going to be able to make it to the grocery store today. So I jumped online, went on Lidl, picked out my items. And so within 2 hours, I was able to, load up a couple of bags of good new merchandise, some of my gift basket inventory. I'm not going to even worry about trying to sell that stuff. I have stuff for Easter, stuff for the kids. I had stuff for baby, and I'm like, I'm going to donate it. So all weekend long, I've been at a location cleaning out a condo, purging and sorting things. And I said, I'm just tired of running around. I get the same food every time. You know, when I run out of lettuce and tomato and cucumber, and then I'm low on a yogurt and a cabbage, it's time for me to go to the store. And then we're totally out of onions. So I got like a whole bag of yellow onions, red onions, I got avocados. And then you make sure I have we always have toilet paper. I just always, every month, get a thing of toilet paper, paper towels. Okay, so see, I put a lot of lemon in there. And now I'm going to use my Mrs. Dash. Then I coated it with a lot of garlic powder. To me, I can put everything under the sun on something, but it's not salt. Salt is a flavor enhancer. Until you put salt on it, man, it's just nothing's going. It's not happening for me. Okay, so we're gonna put a lot of it on here. Then I'm not worried about cross-contamination at my house. Okay, so now season it liberally with lemon pepper seasoning. Okay, and so I'm going to let this marinate for an hour. And we're just going to pan sear it and put it in the oven to finish off cooking. And I love making this with potatoes, like frying up some potatoes and baking it all together, but potatoes are too high in carbs. Okay, family, I have a tablespoon of olive oil in a large skillet, and my lemon pepper boneless skinless chicken thighs have been marinating for an hour. And I'm going to put presentation side down. Let them get some color on them. So I'm going to put 4 in at a time. So these are the raw ones. Here are the ones that are cooking now. So I'm going to let them cook pan fry till they get brown on one side. Have a lot going on, guys. You know, it's spring, it's March now. I'm getting calls for spring cleaning, and I'm trying to purge my own house. And so a lot going on. So that's why I'm looking rough. But I'll see you guys when it's all browned. Okay guys, the lemon pepper chicken thighs are done. I browned them. You saw where I marinated them in lemon and seasoned it with Mrs. Dash and garlic powder and a little bit of lemon pepper seasoning. And then it roasted in the oven for about 30 minutes till an internal temperature of 165. I'm sauteing onions and garlic over here. I'm just gonna cover them in onions and garlic, and it is done. And that is a quick and easy weekday entree. Serve it with a side salad. We're not doing carbs around here, so a salad and some steamed broccoli. That'll be great. And a nice glass of ice water. You'll be satisfied. At least I will be. Okay, guys, thank you so much. I appreciate your support. And if you like my vibe, hit subscribe and join the tribe. And hit that bell notification so you'll be notified the next time I upload any new content. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye. Bye, Mom.